Okay, today I've received a notification from one of my VIP group has put a message in. She received this notification, so she wasn't sure if it was a scam. So the way to figure out if you are being scammed or if your account has actually been restricted, simply go to your personal profile and then from there go to account status. Now from here you'll be able to see, you can see here, look, I've got 6 groups, this is my page, this is my personal account. You can see there are no restrictions here at the moment, but should I want to go further, I can go into here and I can see everything's fine here. If I want to go back, I can look at the groups and again everything here is fine, and you can go into each one. There is nothing wrong with my account. If there was something wrong with my account, it would show up in this section. So it would be very obvious. I hope that helps you. Never click on a link that you know isn't familiar to you, even if they're reporting to be Facebook. It's just not worth the risk. I hope this has been helpful, and until next time, bye.